welcome back to Celebration. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Ozalo from the 9th to the 13th of June 2025 on Monday. Hawu's decision to leave Insizwa ends him the royal treatment. Sipho comes up with an innovative way to change the tax business. Pastor Hlatshwayo gives Sbu a wake-up call on Tuesday. The water crisis at the hostel brings unwelcome opportunists taking advantage of the desperate. Mzamo's bubble is burst when Xoli gives him feedback on his book, and Sbu is getting right and close to Jesus on Wednesday. Skiddy does a selfless act, Mbatha resort to threat when he can't get his way. Mzamo find himself in deep waters on Thursday. Nkazimulo and Geja share a heartfelt moment, while Pifeni is caught off guard when Sibindi confronts him with a mysterious black bag. Meanwhile, Hawu welcomes his secret lover into Sizakele's room on Friday. Skiddy wants Insizwa to wage war on Nkunzi. Mzamo finally agrees to work with an external editor, while Mbatha has a fresh idea for his campaign. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.